Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting immediately. Plug the iPad into the computer and keep it connected. If you have Face ID, press and quickly release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the top button until recovery mode appears. If you have a home button, hold home and top or side buttons together. Why do this? Forcing the device into recovery interrupts boot so your computer can detect it for restore or update. Once the screen changes, stop holding buttons and watch the computer. Now focus on the computer. Open Finder or iTunes. You'll see a prompt that an iPad in recovery mode needs to be updated or restored. Choose Update to reinstall iPad OS without erasing data. Choose Restore to wipe and reinstall if update fails or you need a clean install. The why? Update preserves settings, Restore is a full reset. Make sure the download completes. If it takes longer than 15 minutes, the iPad may exit recovery, and you'll repeat the button sequence. Finish by letting the restore or update complete. Your iPad will restart into setup or its prior state. Once done, follow on-screen steps to sign in. If the process stalls or fails, force restart the iPad and re-enter recovery mode. This clears temporary firmware hangups. If the computer doesn't detect the device, try a different USB cable, another USB port, or a different computer. Those hardware issues are the usual culprits. If problems continue, contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.